Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a few tools you can use to better understand how a Wikipedia article is performing. This includes things like how much traffic a page receives, how actively it's edited, and how people are finding it. I'm Steve from the Mather Group, and we're creating short videos for marketing and PR teams to help you better understand Wikipedia all in 5 minutes or less. Now these are tools that anyone can use, and they give you helpful context before working on or proposing edits to a Wikipedia article. The first place I like to look is under the Tools button in the upper right-hand corner of any article. If you open that drop-down, you'll see an option called Page Information. When you open this page, you'll see a number of technical details about the article. For example, you'll see things like page size, but also number of page watchers. Page watchers are editors who are monitoring the page and will be notified when changes are made. You'll also see page protection. This is going to help you understand who's actually eligible to make edits to the article. A little further down, you're going to get a brief overview of edit history. You'll also get page properties, importantly, the categories associated with the article itself, and the connected Wikidata item. Now, Wikidata is a very important element. It's essentially the structured data connected to the article and is used across Wikipedia and other knowledge systems. We'll cover this in another video because it is very important to how Wikipedia works. Now, if you scroll a little lower on the page, you're going to see a section called External Tools, and this is where we're going to go and move on to our next important tool, the Revision History Statistics. If you click on that link, it's going to load the page, and this page is going to show us analytics about the editorial activity behind the article. For example, you can see total number of edits, the number of editors that are involved, when the first editor actually made a change, when the last time an edit was made. If you go a little lower, you can get some more insight on authorship, which is nice to see. You can understand who's participated in the article before, what percentage of the page itself came from one particular author or another. And again, you have a section here called links, which is interesting. You have a link here that will take you and show you all the different pages that are connected to this article, as well as the redirects. Reload that redirects page here. This is showing you the different search terms that when put into Wikipedia's search bar, it is going to redirect you to the article that we're reviewing. So this is a really great tool for understanding the editorial history of the article itself. Now, the next tool that's worth looking at is the page view statistics or analysis. This tool generates charts showing how many times a Wikipedia article has been viewed over time. And because we've navigated here from the article itself, the page is already populated into the search bar, so you're looking at results for your article. Now on the left side, you have a number of filters. You have filters that can change the date range. You have options as well to change the type from monthly or daily, which depending on what your use case is, you may want to select one over the other, of course. The project of Wikipedia, in this case the English version of Wikipedia. Do you have the platform, whether it's going to be desktop or mobile, for example. You also have agent, which is really whether you're thinking about filtering between human traffic or automated traffic like web crawlers. And by default, the tool does not include redirect traffic, so if you do want to include that, you'll just want to make sure you toggle that button on the side. Now, on the right side, of course, you're going to get some totals for the statistics themselves, the number of page views, the monthly average, so on and so forth. You'll also see basic information repeated from some of the other tools I've already shown, such as the size and, again, the number of watchers for the page. And what's really interesting is you can add multiple pages here. So if you want to compare page view between different articles that you're interested in, you can do so, and it will layer on the information and give you the chart. And of course, the chart, you can change the type if you have sort of a particular chart type that you're looking for. And it's going to give you the sums of the data at the bottom broken out by page, all of which, by the way, is also downloadable. So that's a quick overview of how some of these tools can help you better understand a Wikipedia article. Again, the page information, that's going to give you the basic technical data and details of the article. You've got the revision history statistics that I showed, which gave you the editorial activity behind the page, and of course the page views tool right here, which will give you a great snapshot into the number of folks that are visiting the page over time. Thanks for watching.